Good morning. Guess what? It's Madame Marushka. She came back to see you. She missed you so much. She don't know where she went. She was gone. And now she has returned. She was a little bit sick. So that is why. But guess what? Madame Marushka would like to sing you a song. She hopes you are happy. She hopes you are happy and that you get along with everybody who cares what they do, for they not as smart as you. That's it. So she's so happy to see you. And she's got stuff to say. She wants to know. She wants to ask you a couple of questions. First question is, do you want to change your life a little bit? She don't know if you do or if you don't. But if you do, this is what she wants you to do. Every morning when you get up, you say, hey, to yourself, I want to change my life. Simple, right? So you think about it. First step, think about changing your life, and then you have to decide what you want to change. Do you want to change the color of your hair? Then dye it. Do you want to get skinnier? Then dye it. But anyway, if you want to be happy instead of sad, then guess what? You start to singing in the morning. You start to singing a funny, funny tune. Something that's funny and light and airy. Make up your own song like Madame Marushka does. You start the singing first thing in the morning. That's what Madame Marushka's mother did. Every morning, and plus she was a very good whistler. So she used to whistle. So if you can't sing, you whistle. Who cares? And you do it in the morning if you want to be happy. This is what we really want to do. You want to be happy, you want to be sad, you want to be mad. What do you want? If you want to be mad and sad and all that, then go ahead. I don't have no words for you. But if you want to be happy, start to sing first thing in the morning. Don't care what you sing. As long as it uplifts your spirit, doesn't care what it is. No. And then if you don't want to sing, you whistle. If you don't want to whistle, you beat your hands on the tabletop and drum a little bit, or something, or march. You can walk, then you march, okay? And then guess what you do? You think of the one nice thing you can do for yourself that day. Not anybody else, peoples, okay? Because the premise is you can't give away what you don't have. I've said this before. So you start to think, what can I do? One thing. Maybe it's 20 things you end up doing, but, one thing to make you happy. That's not destructive or nothing. You don't want to do anything destructive. The crystal ball tells me many, many things for you to do. So do good things for yourself, because the crystal ball says, lots of stuff going on. So, anyway, that's what. So those are a couple of tips I wanted to give you. I don't want to tell you too many things, although music is very, 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 very good. I don't care who you are. It's a good thing for anybody. Listen to it. If you can't participate in some way like I suggested, listen to good music, not mean music, because there's mean music. Don't listen to that. That's not the good music, okay? But music that uplifts your spirit, something that uplifts you, makes you light like a feather and float. Because guess what? One of the other things you want to do is try to consider having a flying dream. Flying dreams are awesome. Madame Marushka, every night before she goes to bed, she thinks about having a flying dream. Put that in your consciousness, and then one a day, you might have one. They're the best. You just fly, you zoom. And that's what you want in life. You don't have to get high on nothing. You get high on flying, people. Fly, fly, fly. Anyway, I love you all. I'm so glad to be back. And I hope you have a nice day. Don't worry about nothing, because as Vladimir says to me, yesterday I saw Vladimir. I love seeing him. He's so silly. He reminds me of what I always say. Guess what? You're gonna die. So who cares? And that's all I got. Bye bye now. Alrighty. Have fun. Yeah.